The double wing expansion and unique design and flexible and diverse usage functions becomes a highlight in the field of modern construction. It stems from the efficient use of space and environmental adaptation. It adopts modular design, which can be quickly assembled and disassembled, shorten the construction period and reduce costs. The double wing expansion wing has good expandability. It can be expanded horizontally or vertically to achieve flexible space changes. In terms of structure, and wing topology, ensuring the building's lifespan in harsh environments and comfort, in addition to technical advantages. The double wing expansion room also focuses on environment protection and sustainability. Sustainability. It uses renewable energy and green materials to reduce the impact on the environment. The double wing expansion is gradually becoming a trend in the field of modern architecture.